Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start inside Roblox Studio with Explorer and Properties visible. This saves time. First, load the game or model that contains the accessory and expand the character or object hierarchy. Once you find the accessory instance, select its handle part. That's the visual object you'll recolor. Make sure the part is a base part or mesh part. If it's a mesh part, you'll adjust color 3 and texture ID differently. Next, inspect material and existing textures so you know what to change and why. Now you'll change the actual color and material. With the handle selected, set the color property using the Color 3 picker. Input numeric values if you need exact shades. Once done, change material to control reflections and opacity. For example, smooth plastic preserves color saturation while metal reflects environment. If a texture ID or decal is present, it can hide your color, so remove or replace it with a neutral texture. Make sure to test color in play mode, because lighting can alter appearance. Finish by playtesting the accessory in the same lighting and environment where players will see it. This reveals how your color reads in-game. If the color isn't showing, check for mesh vertex colors, texture ID overlays, or scripts that set brick color/color 3 at runtime. Disable those temporarily to isolate the issue. Once satisfied, save and publish your changes and keep a backup version. If problems persist, inspect scripts and mesh importer options because they are the most common culprits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.